Hey, I am Dr. Showalter, the professor for this course, and just wanted to give you a real quick intro to myself. I was born in Ohio, small town Ohio. West Liberty was the name of the town, and came to Harrisonburg for college to EMU actually, which I still teach. I still teach at EMU and JMU both. Uh, Went then to a college in Philadelphia and eventually back to one in Ohio. So I had a lot of changing. I think I changed my major 7 times in college. If you're a student who is undecided or is trying to figure out life path, I love having those kinds of conversations. After undergrad, I spent several years traveling, 4 or 5 years backpacking through mostly Asia, India quite a bit, South Korea quite a bit, South America also for some periods of time. And it was during that time that I met my wife and started going to grad school at Ohio University in Athens, Ohio. I got my master's in math, PhD in math education, and then my family moved here to Harrisonburg about several years back. I enjoy music quite a bit, guitar, piano, but also listening to all genres of music, playing frisbee. I love listening to rains. A storm is just starting right around me as we speak. And I really like connecting with students. So I was a youth pastor for several years back in the over a decade ago. Uh, and so one thing I really enjoy is discussions about life issues. So feel free to contact me about stats. Feel free to, if you want to chat about traveling or life direction, I would always be up for that. And most importantly, one of the things I hope you get through this course is the connection between all these things that may be going on in your life and statistics, and how the two really do merge together in powerful ways, in ways that you can actually use statistical tools to improve your quality of life in all these other areas that you actually care about very deeply, whether it's personally or professionally. So that's one of the main things I hope you take away from this course. So feel free to ask me more questions about me, stats. My email is in the syllabus. It's also published several other places on the website. So I hope to hear from you. Look forward to getting to know you better, even though it is an online course.